a very fun video for you guys. Today I'm going to be making a cheeseburger with the Build a Wimpy cheeseburger. I got this from Wimpy for free since I had a kiddies meal. Please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. You guys should also comment down below. Guys, in my last video, I said that you should ask me a question and I'll answer it in my next video. So today I'm answering only one question that I got. And that one question is, why didn't I use iMovie? From Nasreen Parak. Here's a message. Well, Nasreen Parak, I didn't use iMovie because I was filming with this phone, and as you guys know, iMovie is only on iPhone, so iOS devices, so yeah. And now I'm filming on an iPhone and I'll be using iMovie. So let's just zoom on to the video. Let's go. Voiceover Uzayr in. So I'm just reading the instructions, and then the instructions and joking has the things. Then we had an instructor and some burger buns to put the things. Now I think I speeded up this video a lot, but I had to since it took me a while to do everything. But what it says is we must take all the orange clay, divide it in half, and put it inside those things in that patty thing. So basically what I did is I just speeded it up a lot, and I needed lots of help. I used scissors and I used my mom as help just to break the clay. So then what I'm just doing is right now I'm just cutting the clay. Then what I just doing is kneading the clay to make it softer, and then after that what I'm doing is we should divide it in half. So what I did is I actually sneezed, so that's why the camera shaked. What I did is I rolled into a ball, and then I kneaded it more and divided it into half, and that's what I did. Then I put it inside the burger buns, and I think I speeded up this part also since it actually took me a while to do the burger buns, since I actually left it inside there and I pushed it so hard that it didn't want to come out. So it didn't want to come out, but then what it said is to take it out, and I was struggling to take it out. So I basically by mistake made a dent, and I was like freaking out by saying, oh my gosh, what should I do? So basically what I did is I did it again, and I just left it laying, but I didn't push it down that much, just left it lightly. And the front bun I kept on doing all over again. No, the bottom bun I kept on doing over again since I wanted that bottom bun to be perfect. So then I was reading the instructions. So it says to take the green clay and divide it into half. So after you divide it into half, make it into a lettuce slice. So how did I make that lettuce slice? So basically, and you might have some left over, I'll show you what to do at the end. So what you should do is with that lettuce slice, why do I keep on fiddling the bun? So then what you should do is make that into a ball and then roll it down, like that. So make it a little bit thin. I can't say too thin, but after you do that, make some indents with your fingers. Try to make like it's real lettuce. And if you guys want, you could even make it like a droopy effect for some lettuce, but mine just stayed regular. Then what it says is to use the brown clay and to roll into a ball and then make it like a patty. So what I did is I roll it into a ball. After I roll it, I flatten it down, and I also made some indents with my nails right now. You'll see it. Don't worry. So then here I made some indents to make it look more realistic, since I really want this thing to look really realistic, even though it's not. So then what it says is to use a quarter of the yellow piece, 1/4 of the yellow piece. So how you can do that is divide it in half. After you divide it in half, divide that half into another half. And then what I just did is to put it on the patty mold, and then I just used that one, and it gave some texture to it, which the texture looked really good, and I just put it on the cheese, and I kind of made it look like it was melted, since I like melted cheese. Then what I did is it says you must use the red clay to make tomatoes, and I actually sped up this part since the clay fell by mistake. Yeah, that's what happened. And then what happened is I just took out a little bit of the clay. Then I just rolled it into a bowl and flattened it, and I didn't make any textures since I don't know, but these were very tiny tomatoes. And what you guys can also do with this is you can also add any red ornament like bell peppers, chilies, tomato sauce, but I would recommend mixing orange and that red together. Then what it says is to use the rest of the yellow of both of the packets, put inside the extractor, and make the chips. So what you have to do is put it in, and then you guys should push it out. And guys, for my questions, let's just do a little bit of a Q&A. For my questions, you guys should ask me 3 questions, and whoever asks me 3 questions, 1 question, another person, and another person, I will feature them in my next video. In this video, I only featured 1 person because 1 person commented, but if you guys give me 3 comments or more, I will feature all of you. So please, shout out to you. And whoever gives me so much support, that means like you guys are like, that looks really nice and things like that. Now I just put some slow-mo into it on how to do the pushing majiggy thing. Oh, the tractor thing. So basically, guys couldn't see, but I kind of made it out of the camera, and the texture that this extractor gave was, I couldn't say how good it was. It was just so good, and I was really shocked. If you guys are Indians, you guys should probably know murku, and if you guys know that snack, this is exactly what it looks like. If you guys don't, just think of some potato chips with little Indians in them. That's the best way I can explain to you guys. So yeah, let's just continue. If you guys don't have Wimpy in your country, just use regular clay. I mean, because I live in South Africa, so if you guys ever need it, just buy some clay. And if you guys have formula clay, just use that and bake it. But I don't know if this one you can bake, but I just wanted to stay safe, and I didn't bake it. And I think this is some of the last row of my chips, since I made a lot of chips. Then I just had to put the bun on that I forgot to do, and now let's just assemble. So I put everything on, I put the chips on, and I scattered it around to look neat. And then what are we going to do with the extra clay? So you can make tomato sauce with the red one, but my one didn't look like tomato sauce. It kind of looks like chilies or bell peppers. Anything red, you guys can do anything. I made mine a salad, a really ugly one. But basically, I just rolled that and just made it into pieces. If you guys can make it look like tomato sauce, that would be really good. And tag me in your posts on Instagram, and at the end of the video I will link my Instagram at the end of the video. I will, promise me, I will. So then what I just did is make the lettuce, some tomatoes with the yellow and the red. I actually made bell peppers, and yeah, these things look so cute. I mean, if this wasn't that realistic, what else could this be? This looks so cute. I can't tell you how cute these guys are. I'm freaking out. How cool does this look? Like, wow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and also click that red button, which also known as the subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you liked and subscribed. And this is your end result of our burger. Looks very nice and kind of looks really realistic. So I'm gonna take this burger and eat it. No, it's not edible. I wish it was, but this looks super duper cute, and this is totally picture worthy. If you guys want to get all of my photos that I take, here's my Instagram. Go and follow it. Let's take a really nice photo. I don't know how many I'm going to be taking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I'll tune you guys in next time. Bye! Bye-bye!